Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys would like to see how I did this dramatic glitter cut crease, then please keep on watching. So starting off with my Morphe 3502 palette, I'm taking the color So Warm, and with my BH number 9 brush, I'm just going to be drawing an outline for my crease. And I'm drawing this line above my natural crease.
Just me and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing.
Now I'm taking the shade ORB, and with my number 6 BH brush, I'm gonna start blending out that crease line.
Maybe crazy, don't mind me, say boy, let's not talk too much.
Now I'm taking the shade Ablaze, and with my number 7 brush, I'm going to start to blend this shade above my crease line that we drew in the beginning. And this is just going to add some warmth into our eyelids. And I love this brush because it's really dense and small. And it allows you to be really precise on where you're applying your color and blending it out. Now I'm going back in the shade So Warm, and with my Morphe M213, I'm just going to be redrawing that crease line since I feel like it kind of got blended away with all the blending. Now to cut my crease, I'm taking my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm cutting my crease with my Morphe M169 brush. It's just a really small detail brush. So this is where the line in the beginning that you drew is really going to help you, because when you're cutting the crease, you want to cover everything from that line down so you have a nice base for your lid.
We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay. And leaving, getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love was handmade for somebody like me.
And I'm dragging the concealer all the way down like a wing so my eyes look really nice and long. Yes, to that cut crease. Now taking that light shade from the Carli Bybel palette, and with my e.l.f. C brush, I'm applying it all on my lid so I can have a nice matte base. Now I'm taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and with that yellow shade, I'm taking my Morphe M506, and I'm just applying this shade on the middle of my lid. Now I'm taking this hot pink shade, and with my Morphe M169, I'm just going to apply that pink shade right next to the yellow shade, and I'm focusing this more on my outer V. I'm not going to drag this shade all the way through to the wing part. And you want to keep on blending the shades until they look like one seamless color. Now I'm going in that red shade, and with my Morphe M408, I'm going to be applying this on the very outer part of my cut crease on that wing, and you know, just keep on blending, blending, blending. Here I'm just going back in the other colors to make the other colors look more vibrant. Now I'm taking my Revlon Photoready eyeart. I'm going to draw my glitter liner right under that brown line. I'm applying some mascara, and then I'm going in with my e.l.f. eyeliner to draw my wing. Now I'm applying my falsies, and these are the Ardell wispies, and I'm taking my Kiss eyelash glue to apply them. Now that my face is done, I'm going back in the Morphe palette in the shade Ablaze, and with my BH number 8 brush, I'm going to start buffing that on my bottom lash line. Going back into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and with that hot pink shade, I'm taking my Morphe M408, and I'm going to apply this really close to my bottom lash line. Now I'm taking that red shade with my Morphe M169, and I'm just blending everything out. Taking my MAC Beaming Blush for my inner corner highlight. I'm taking that cream shade from the Carli Bybel palette and this really small detail brush, and I'm going to be applying this right on my waterline as if it were eyeliner. And I'm finishing the look with some bottom mascara. That concludes this eye look tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed this glitter cut crease. I'm obsessed. I just love the red and yellow and orange and pink. Like, those are just my colors. I don't know, it just screams summer, spring, and I'm so done with winter, summer. Please come back, I miss you. So alright guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and everything that I use on my face and lips will be listed down below. See you guys all in my next video. Bye!